You don't want to put this on a cut. The percentage will actually cause burns.
What's the stuff that we get like CBS or something?
That's the 3%. So in a dilute solution,
They use stuff like mouthwash.
you can, yeah, we talked about that yesterday as well. You can use this as a dilute solution for mouth, kind of a gargle or whatever, but this, no.
Yeah.
Exactly. So, like I said, we don't want to get that on the sides of our container. So I'm going to use this long stem glass funnel so that we can get the hydrogen peroxide all the way down the bottom.
Is this one Snapchat?
I'll tell you when. Yep.
How do you know this?
What color are you making it?
What's that, Jake?
Which color are you going to make?
Think back to the color you saw when we did the rocket lab with those two chemicals, right? There was one that changed the color, right? Everybody agree? Yeah. You're going to see that same color. So I've got the peroxide in here.
Spoiler!
Now, we have some options here. This is all about factors that make reaction faster. This is the perfect demo for it because we're incorporating concentration, 3% versus, what is this again? 30. So we're upping the concentration. I'm going to add a catalyst, which is supposed to make the reaction go faster. So I'm going to dump some of this KI in here. No, I'll tell you when. Now,
What's your story?
what do you guys know about, what do you know about particle size and reaction rate?
Small particles.
Smaller particles means faster reaction. So I could dump in this solid, it still wouldn't be as fast as if I make a solution of it first. So I'm going to add a little distilled water and try to make kind of a super saturated solution, or saturated solution here.
What is
Distilled water is water that doesn't have any minerals or ions in it. So like normal tap water has things like iron and calcium and magnesium ions. Distilled water doesn't have any of that. So it's pure, right, pure water. Add a little bit more water. So if I added, you guys, this catalyst, if I added the catalyst directly to the hydrogen peroxide,
Bless you!
if I added it right now, it would cause this to decompose rapidly and we would see lots of bubbles of oxygen gas. But that's not cool. Okay, we want to see it better. So to make the manifestation of the bubbles forming bigger, we're going to add amount is really not critical, just a lot. So we now have our concentrated hydrogen peroxide here, and we're going to add a catalyst. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, before we do that though, sorry, gotta get the anticipation. I want to test for oxygen gas. Now on your study guide, we said there's a way to test for oxygen gas, and how is it?
Reignite a splint.
What kind of splint?
A reignite glow.
It'll relight the splint, right? So once this oxygen gas starts forming, we're going to test the oxygen gas being got. Okay, you guys ready? Here we go. See the steam, you guys? Signs of reaction here.
Holy, that is so cool!
Okay, now we got this burning splint. Positive test for oxygen gas, right? The splint will relight. Let's see if I can actually get the thing to go in there. It's coming out pretty darn fast. I don't know if I'll be able to. Oh, no, it's...
It looks like stuff in the house.
The what? It's foam insulation, yeah.
What, you don't want to touch it?
Yeah, it's really hot, yeah. It's still going. And you guys still see their steam coming off too? What what kind of reaction gives off heat? That's another thing we talked about in this unit. Give me a term for it, science term.
Do you count the
Exothermic, right?
No way!
There you go. So,
Back up.
came back out. So let me just scoot this to the sink. So